You need help? Don't worry, I got him. I got it.
Watch where you're going, Toast Girl. Also, eat less, you sow pig. Nobody likes fat girls. And stop going through puberty. No one wants to see your boobies, Toast Girl.
Akko, stop! You're gonna make her cry. Poor girl.
Valeria, are you okay, Chi?
No, Chimmy. I'm sad because of that girl's insults. Just because I ran late to school with toast in my mouth, she doesn't have to call me Toast Girl. And because I'm fat and chubby, she doesn't have to call me a sow pig. And just because I went through puberty, she doesn't have to insult my chest. And also, she can't say that in school.
Want me to play Daft Punk songs, Chi?
No thanks, I'm good.
Oh, Lara, don't cry. All of the insults she said to you is not true. You can report her to the principal's office.
Really?
Yeah, really, Chi.
Thanks, Chimmy. You're the best. Free hugs for you. Oh shit, I'm late.
Have fun at school, Lara.